Every modern farm should be equipped with a combine harvesting machine. The agricultural equipment performs all operations involved in harvesting crops. That includes cutting the crop, threshing the grains, cleaning the grains, and grinding unneeded straw residues. In today's video, we will be talking about 10 harvesting machines working in combos on a large scale. Subscribe to the channel to check out our videos on other agricultural equipment. Like the video and turn on the notification feature to get updates on other related videos. Number 10. The Holland 1090 Combine Harvester. Since its inception in 1895, New Holland Agriculture has developed a wide range of combine harvesters, tractors, balers, grape harvesters, forage harvesters, self-propelled sprayers, and other agricultural equipment. The Agricultural Corporation has its business in 170 countries, all over the world, with 18 global manufacturing plants and 6 joint ventures. A recent accomplishment of the New Holland Agriculture is the NH2, which is a tractor powered by hydrogen, which allows its user to refill it using renewable energy. The Holland 1090 Combine Harvester was developed in 2016 and has since then served its purposes across the world. It is fitted with an FPT Cursor 16 engine that has a displacement of 15,927 cubic centimeters. The 6-cylinder engine has a gross rated power output of 653 horsepower and can generate a peak output of 700 horsepower. The engine's fuel tank has a capacity of 1,300 litres. A hydraulic transmission system is embedded into the harvester and it has a total of 4 gears. The harvester can reach a maximum speed of 40 km per hour and it has a working width of 915 centimeters. It is 904 centimeters long and 961 centimeters wide. Its grain tank can hold a total of 145 HL. It is fitted with 900/60R32 wheels at its front and 540/65R30 wheels at its rear. Number 9. The CLAAS Lexion 770. CLAAS was founded in 1913 by August CLAAS. The agricultural manufacturing company is a market leader in developing harvesting equipment and technology. The European market leader in developing combine harvesters has also developed a variety of self-propelled forage harvesters, tractors, mowers, tedders, rakes, balers, wheel loaders, and other harvesting tools. Fitted with a Mercedes-Benz OM502 LA engine with a displacement of 15.6 litres, the CLAAS Lexion 770 is a harvesting beast on the fields. Its 6-cylinder engine has a power of 503 horsepower and has a fuel tank with an 1,150-litre capacity. The harvester weighs around 20,000 kilos and has a transport width of 3.49 meters. It also has a cutting platform width of 9.3 meters to quickly fill up its 115 HL grain tank. With its hydraulic transmission system, the harvester has a total of 3 gears. The CLAAS Lexion 770 can reach a peak speed of 25 km per hour and it has a cutting width of 912 centimeters. The harvesting machine has an overall length of 1,126 centimeters, an overall height of 395 centimeters, and a width of 389 centimeters. Its front wheels are 900/60 wheels, while at its rear, there are 600/65 wheels. Number 8. The John Deere X9 1100 Combine Harvester. John Deere is an American corporation notable for its production heavy agricultural machineries and some of their accessories such as diesel engines and drivetrains. It was founded in 1837 by John Deere and has developed several tractors, combine harvesters, skidders, field sprayers, excavators, loaders, graders, telescopic handlers, forage harvesters, sugarcane harvesters, FEL attachments, bella bunchers, log loaders, backhoes, and others. Its 13.6-litre engine has a fuel tank with a capacity of 1,249.2 litres. The engine has a rated speed of 1,900 revolutions per minute, a rated power of 603 horsepower, and can reach a maximum power of 690 horsepower. Its wheel system consists of a 31-inch VF750 rear wheels to carry the combined weight of the harvester and the produce. The John Deere X9 1100 combine harvester also has a yield monitor to help the operator in supervising the harvesting process. This combine harvester has a folding grain tank that can hold 16,200 litres of grain and unload them at a rate of 186 litres per second. Number 7. The CLAAS IH Axial Flow 9240 Combine Harvester. CLAAS IH is an American company founded in 1985, and it specializes in the development and production of agricultural equipment. Such agricultural equipment includes combines, tractors, sprayers, hay tools, forage equipment, seeding and tillage equipment. CLAAS IH has been awarded several times by the American Society of Agricultural and Biological Engineers, ASABE, with AE50 awards for their products. CLAAS IH is famous for its Magnum tractors, Axial Flow combines, Steiger and Fahr. This 21-ton harvester is equipped with a CLAAS IH FPT 15.9 litre displacement engine. The engine has a rated power of 550 kilowatts and a peak power of 625 kilowatts. It has a transport length of 8.05 meters, a transport width of 3.49 meters, and a transport height of 3.98 meters. Its grain tank can hold 410 bushels, and it uploads this quantity at a rate of 4.5 bushels per second. Its residue management system consists of a chopper, a vertical spreader, and a hydraulically driven dual disc spreader. The CLAAS IH Axial Flow 9240 Combine Harvester has automatic crop settings to aid its operator in picking crops and embedded moisture and yield monitoring sensors. It also has an AFS Pro 700 display to monitor the harvesting process. Number 6. The CLAAS Lexion 8900. Its grain tank can hold a capacity of 15,000 litres and uploads at a speed of 180 litres per second. It has a hybrid threshing system, a 1700mm wide drum coupled with a set of twin rotors. Each of the rotors in this harvester is 4,200mm in length and 445mm in diameter. Its header is a 12.3 meter Vario header. The CLAAS Lexion has an average output of 60 to 70 tons every hour. Its engine is a MAN D42 model and has a maximum power of 790 horsepower. The combine harvester is fitted with a dynamic power feature to save up to 10% of fuel, a CLAAS auto chopping feature to optimize the quality of the chopped produce, a jet stream to clean the grains thoroughly, a CLAAS automatic feature to optimize the threshing and cleaning systems continuously, an auto slope feature to cut down the workload of the harvester when it is on slopes, and many others. Number 5. Gleaner S97. Gleaner is an American developer of combine harvesters. The manufacturer has been developing combines since 1923. The name Gleaner was gotten from the 1857 painting by Jean-François Millet and was used for their radically redesigned harvesting machine in 1923. Gleaner is renowned for producing the first auger that served as a replacement for canvas drapers, a down-front cylinder that brings a threshing procedure closer to the plants, and a rasp bar threshing cylinder rather than a spike tooth setting. The Gleaner S97 has an AGCO Power twin-turbo 7-cylinder engine with a 9.8 litre displacement. The engine has a rated power of 375 horsepower and a maximum power output of 451 horsepower. The machine, coupled with its tyres, weighs a total of 14,932 kilos. Its grain tank has a capacity of 13,743 litres and can upload at a rate of 141 litres per second. The harvester has a threshing and separation unit with an area of 6,047 square inches. Its former Comfortech cab has been replaced with a Vision cab that provides a 15% increase in volume. The Vision cab has an overall glass area of 66 square feet. The Gleaner S97 feeder house is thoroughly optimized. Its feeder house produces a better crop control and feeding, even in difficult conditions where feeding might be uneven. Number 4. The CLAAS IH9250 Axial Flow Combine Harvester. The CLAAS IH9250 combine has a wheelbase of 10.9 feet, an overall length of 272.9 inches, and a total height of 12 feet. Both its front and rear tread ranges are 130 inches. Its engine is a Cummins LTA10 6-cylinder engine with a displacement of 10.3 cubic inches. The turbocharged engine has a gross rated power of 300 horsepower and can generate a torque of 1,015 pounds per foot. At its maximum, the engine can generate a power of 2,100 RPM and a torque of 1,400 RPM. Its closed-center, load-sensing hydraulic system has a total of 4 remote control valves and a pump flow capacity of 102 litres per minute. Its fuel tank has a capacity of 757 litres. There is a total of 15 gears in this harvester, 12 forward gears and 3 reverse gears. Number 3. The Massey Ferguson 9T. Massey Ferguson is an American agricultural machinery manufacturer. It was founded in 1953 as Massey Harris Ferguson, before it was reduced to Massey Ferguson in 1958. It is currently a brand under the American Industrial Agricultural Equipment conglomerate AGCO. Since 1962, the American company has been the world leader in the manufacture of tractors. Right now, there are more Massey Ferguson tractors than any other brands in the world. This harvester comes with headers with a length up to 50 feet. Its grain tank has a capacity of 17,100 litres and can unload that figure at a rate of 210 litres per minute in 1 minute and 35 seconds. The 3.3 metre wide chassis can produce an average output over 80 tonnes each hour. Its embedded engine is a 6-cylinder MAN engine that has a displacement of 15.2 litres and has a rated power of 647 horsepower. The Massey Ferguson 9T has dual helix cylinders fitted across its length. The dual helix cylinders are 4.8 metres long and 600 millimetres in diameter. There are over 50 acoustic sensors in the harvesting machine to monitor the quantity of plants in each area at a particular time. Its wheel system can consist of 800mm tyres or 600mm track units. This harvester is equipped with a 2-speed hydrostatic transmission system and a threshing system of twin rotors with a feeding drum. Its separation unit has an area of 4.06 square meters, while its cleaning unit has an area of 9.03 square meters. Number 2. The Deutz Fahr C9306. Deutz Fahr is a German manufacturer of agricultural machinery founded in 1968. Its range of products include combine harvesters, tractors, and smart farming technology. Its list of models produced includes MTH series, FM series, Intrac series, AgroPrima series, AgroFarm series, 5 series, AgroKid, AgroClimber, and many others. This Deutz Fahr product is fitted with a 6-cylinder Mercedes-Benz OM936 engine that produces a 7.7-litre displacement and has a rated power of 267 kilowatts. Its grain tank can hold a total of 10,500 litres of produce. Its header can reach cutting widths up to 1,370 millimeters. Its front track unit has a width of 2,630 millimeters, and its rear has a width of 2,393 millimeters. Its wheelbase is 3,890 millimeters. The 17,500 kilograms can reach a forward speed of 30 kilometers per hour and a reverse speed of 14 kilometers per hour. The combine harvester is fitted with a Smart Commander Cab V1, an eye monitor, connected farming systems, and other qualities to ensure its maximum performance and yield output. Number 1. John Deere S785i Combine. The John Deere S785i Combine Harvester is equipped with a 6-cylinder twin turbocharger with fully automatic exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) technology, PowerTech PSS engine that has a displacement of 13.5 litres. It has a fuel tank capacity of 1,250 litres and a gross rated power of 500 horsepower. It can reach a maximum peak output of 550 horsepower. The combine's threshing rotor has a length of 312.4 cm and a diameter of 76.2 cm. Its separating unit has an area of 1.54 square meters, and its cleaning unit has an area of 5.2 square meters. Its cleaning fan can generate speeds between 620 rpm to 1350 rpm. The harvester has a grain tank with a size of 14,096 litres, and it can be unloaded at a rate of 135 litres per second. Its heavy-duty cast iron conveyor chain slat is 172.7 cm in length and 139.7 cm in width. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and drop a comment below. Subscribe to our channel for related content and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our videos.